Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a Fashom box to share with you. And so my last couple of Fashom boxes have been busts. I don't think I've kept anything in quite some time. I'm really hopeful for this box because I really do like Fashom and I am rooting for them. So I'm hoping that there are some keepers in this box. So I obviously know what's inside this box because you do pick from a preview of what's sent to you. They were running a special on Cyber Monday where if you order a box, you got a $15 credit. So I thought, you know what? Let me try it and see if there's some improvement. So I'm excited to try everything on and show you what's in this box. Let's get right to it. Okay, I'm back with my first top. This top is by Meadow Shop. This is the Leopard print V-neck top. It's $43. It is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. And did I say it's an extra large? So the size is an extra large. So I do love the neckline. I think the neckline is great for me. I love the animal print. I was explaining this in a previous video and I saw somebody else, I can't remember who it was, talking about this too. And Mare, if you're watching, you agreed with me too. I've got my winter type animal prints and I've got my fall animal prints. So the winter ones are the darker ones, or the ones that have like the whites and grays and things like that. And the fall are like the browns. I know, I'm just justifying and making excuses for me having an abundance of animal print. But you know what? I love it. So why not buy things that I love, right? Let's talk about this top. We already talked about the neckline. I do love the neckline. I do like the kind of style. The only thing I'm not crazy about the style is the rounded hemline. I don't know if it's too, I don't know if you know what I'm trying to say? Why can't I'm having trouble with words today. Even at work, I was having trouble with my words. It's just been one of those days. So I just don't know if the slits of the rounded hemline are too high. Maybe that's, I don't know. I like it. I just don't know if I love it. So I'll show you the back. So this would be one of my winter animal print tops. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I love it. So I'm trying to be careful about bringing things into my closet that, you know, I don't absolutely love. I want to love it to to let it have a spot in my closet. See, I told you I'm having trouble with my words. All right, let me change and hopefully I'll be able to explain the next top better. I'll be right back. Okay, next top. This top is by Umgee. This is the Jaguar print 3/4 sleeve top. It is $58. The size is an extra large and the material is also 95% polyester, 5% spandex. We all know the answer of what I love about this top. Now, I don't like this top. I don't like the shape and the cut of this top. So the neckline is okay. The sleeves, I like a fun sleeve, but the sleeve are kind of, they're stitched and it's more, you can see the raw material. I don't really like that. You can probably unroll it and make it just have kind of, you know, a longer sleeve so that you can see just the same print. But yeah, I don't really like that look. It's just not a good shape of a top for me. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of a poncho, and while I do like ponchos, I have to be careful with, you know, what shape ponchos I buy, if that makes sense. It does have a slit on each side. It's just not flattering for me. Nope, but I do like the print of it. We all know that, right? So this one's gonna go back because, yeah, just because of the sleeves, the cut, but hey, if this had the same shape as maybe the first top, maybe I'd keep it because I do like this pattern. All right, I'm changing. I've got another fun top coming at you, but no more leopard print. I promise. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I really like this top. This top is by Umgee. This is the scarf print long sleeve top. It is $56. The material of the body of the top is a cotton, poly, and spandex blend. And then the contrast, so the neckline and the sleeves, 100% rayon. This is so cute. It's so different than anything I own. I like the length of it. This would look really cute with some jeans and some like tan booties. I think this is a great addition to my closet. I'm planning on keeping this one unless I watch back and I absolutely, you know, I'm so off on my first impressions of this. But I love this fun sleeves. I love the print of the sleeves. I love the color. This part of the sleeves at the wrist has the same material as the body of the top. Yeah, I really do like this. It's almost like a waffle knit material in the body of the top. What do you think? I think this is so cute. I don't really own anything like this, and so I want to add new styles into my closet. I started doing outfit of the day videos, and that's really been helping me realize kind of that I have a lot of, you know, we all have our own style, and so I tend to pull for the same kind of styles over and over again. And so if I add this to my wardrobe, I have more options to choose from. Let me show you the back. I like it. I can't wait to watch back to make sure that it looks good, because I hope it does. I really want this top. Actually, I could probably put like that. I got a necklace. It was a leaf type necklace for my Stitch Fix. That would look cute with this too. Stay tuned for my outfit of the days, because if I keep this, I'm gonna style this really cute. So, all right, let me change. I'll be right back with my next top. All right, next top. I love this color. This is tight. Let me tell you what it is. This is by Chris and Carol. It's the print and solid baseball top. It is $41, 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So I do like the print. I'll come closer so you can see the print of this top. It does have a very winter type print. I can't think of the word I want to use to describe this. I told you before, I'm having trouble with my words today. What word do I want to use to describe this print? So I do like it, and I love the color. I love that cranberry type of color, and I think it's a good shade for me. It's just too tight. I like the style of it. I just don't love it. And for that reason, and because it doesn't fit, I am going to send this one back. But I do like the style of it a lot, and I think, again, it would look cute. I have it on with black pants. You could wear it with jeans. And I think I've seen a couple other people get it too, and it looked cute on them. So if this is something that you'd like, this one's going back. I think this, did I tell you it's an extra large? This one's gonna go back. So it will be available in that size. All right, let me change, and I will be right back with my last top already. Hang on. Okay, last top. This is a unique top. This is by World Fashion. This is the printed 3/4 sleeve top. It is $39. 100% viscose and extra large. I love the split V neckline. The neckline is perfect. That's a plus. It does have 3 functioning buttons here. See the pattern is like a red and white striped. Yeah, it's just it doesn't scream like, you know, fall, winter. Well, we're kind of in the winter now. And it doesn't scream Kayla. It's just not my style top. So I don't know, it's just, I mean, it's unique. It does have a button kind of detail here on each of the arms. I'm just not crazy about it. It's not for me. I think on the right person it might be cute. Just the pattern's not really me. The preview online sure throws you off, because what you get in person is definitely not what you see in the preview. All right, let me show you the back. Yeah, this one's going back, but I don't know, maybe like for the right person with like a red vest or something like that, it might be cute. I don't know, just throwing it out there. All right, let me change and we'll do a quick recap. That was fast. Hang on one second. Okay, what did we think? So not a bad box. I think I have one keeper from this box. So I'm gonna send this Umgee top back. They called this like the Jaguar print top. This one's going back. Just the style and the cut of it wasn't for me, so I am gonna send that one back. I do think I'm gonna send this one back too. I just wasn't crazy about the hemline of this top, and because I'm only keeping one thing, there would be no perk for me keeping 2 things. So yeah, this one might go back unless I watch back and I absolutely just love it and have to have it. I'm not feeling like that right now, so I'm gonna go with my gut and send it back. Nothing wrong with it. I like it, I just don't love it, and I want to love it to keep it. This World, what was it called? The World Fashion top. I mean, there's palm trees. It's very tropical looking. Yeah, I'm not crazy about it. This one's gonna go back, but it might look really cute on somebody else. I don't know, just not me. It's not my style. This top is also going back. This top was my Chris and Carol. It's the baseball tee. So I do love the pattern. It just didn't fit me right. It was too tight. But yeah, it's a really cute top, and I like the pattern. I love the color. The cranberry color is just so me. And I think I'm gonna keep this top by Umgee. I really did like it. This is the top that had the sleeve detail. It almost kind of reminds me, like, you know, of a quilt, like a quilted type of pattern. I like it. I like the colors of it. I like the pattern of it. It's staying with me. If I watch back when I'm editing and things like that and it looks awful, then I'll send it back. But yeah, I think this one's staying with me, and I can't wait to style it and show you how I style it in my outfit of the days. So that was my fashion box. What did you think of it? It was definitely better than my previous boxes have been, so I'm glad that we're going in the right direction. So thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really do appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video.